Hey traders, thanks for stopping by here at thetradinganalyst.com. We're going to take a look at the gold chart here. And first and foremost, I want to point out that gold is something that we called for this upside move on, okay? And we just hit our long target at about 122 if you're looking at GLD. All right, so go back, watch the videos we did back here in August, September, October. We called for this big breakout to happen on gold. If you were following along, congratulations on this winning trade. Now I want to focus on the near-term action on gold. We called for this breakout to happen. We got that breakout finally, okay? And now we're hitting our target, okay? Now we're at a point where I don't necessarily think that gold is for sure going to get rejected, but we're getting to a level where gold could at least take a pause at, okay? I'm going to go over exactly why. So, gold, nice move up here. If you look at the highs and lows over here, I'm sorry, the highs, we have a little bit of a downtrend line right here. Started there, hit there, there, okay? And if you just extend that, it's right where we're at. Okay, it's just above where we're at. Okay, so we've got that downtrend line as a level of resistance. All right. We also have a Fibonacci retracement level. If you draw it from this major high here to this major low right there. Okay, look at that 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level is right here, right where we're at. All right. So we've got that lining up with the trend line. We've got the trend line acting as resistance. And we've got the Fibonacci retracement level of 61.8 acting as resistance as well. So if you're not familiar with Fibonacci retracement levels, the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level is typically where stocks or commodities will either get rejected at or rebound at, depending on whether it's an uptrend or a downtrend, to kind of signify that this trend is still intact. So the trend here is down right here. So if we're still going to be in a downtrend here on gold from these highs, then this is about where it's going to get rejected. Okay? So we've got those things lining up. We also have a resistance point right at about 122, 123. Okay, lining up perfectly with that Fibonacci retracement level. You can see that there's a lot of sideways trading right here at that level. All right, and a lot of resistance above this level as well, up to about 124. Okay, you can see there was previous support right there, there. Just a lot of thick resistance that's above us. Okay, doesn't mean that we can't break over it. It just means that we have a lot of work to do. And at the very least, I see gold most likely taking some kind of a pause here. So trading sideways maybe at this range. That would be ideal for bulls of gold, is trading sideways against this level here. Maybe a little retracement here, building up energy so then it can break over. Same thing that we did over here. We headed lower, and then we traded sideways and built up energy so that we could break out. Okay, same thing that happened over here. What happened? Sideways trading right here, broke that range and had energy to fall hard because of all this sideways trading. Same thing happened over here, just in the opposite direction. Okay, so we've got resistance, we've got a Fibonacci retracement level, and we've got a downtrend line all matching up perfectly right around this level where we're at, about 122 to 124. Okay, so again, we called for this breakout move to the upside. Go back, watch the videos we were doing in August and September. You know, back here when I was calling for this bounce in August, I was laughed at. Okay, a lot of trolls came out, gave me a lot of negative comments, and here we are once again. Let's see if I get some troll comments. It doesn't really matter either way. Just kind of pointing out how it is funny how you get a lot of troll comments when you call for either bottoms or tops. Okay, so that's what we're looking at with gold. I hope this video really helps you out. And now what I want to show you is, because a lot of people, they say, okay, Taylor, you can make these videos, you can draw some support lines and trend lines and all that, but can you actually make money in the market for yourself and for your clients? And the answer to that question is yes. Here is a list of our trades that we've taken since December. We've taken 15 trades. 13 of those trades have been winners. Only 2 of those trades have been losers. Okay, so yes, we know what we're doing. We actually make money in the market. You can see here that we make 55%, and these are option swing trade alerts that last anywhere from about 2 to 30 days. All right, and you can see here our wins: 55%, 40%, 70%. 51%, 35%, very nice gains that we've had here. And this loss that we had here, right here, was just a hedge for our long positions right here in the S&P 500 that we took right there. So again, lots of winners, very few losers, and our winners are much bigger than our losers, and these are all sent out in real time via text message to every single one of our members. So now what I'd like to do is invite you to join us here for the premium membership community at thetradinganalyst.com. If you're on YouTube, visit us at www.thetradinganalyst.com and visit us here on the home page. If you're on the blog here, video, all you have to do is scroll down below this video and you're going to see everything that you get today. We are the #1 options trading service on the planet. So if you've bought and sold trades at the wrong time and you've lost money and you're not confident when the right time to get in or out is, then you need to sign up and join here, and you're going to get instant access to the trades that I told you about earlier here. Okay, so you're getting access to every trade that I make and send out to members. These are easy to follow, real-time trade alerts sent out via text message in real time for both the buy and sell alerts. We never leave you hanging with just a buy alert and have you figure it out on your own. No, we're managing the trade in real time for you. Okay, easy to follow trade alerts. Here are some of the recent trade alerts that you could have been in. If you were a member, you would have been able to participate and make gains like this. And here's the thing that separates us from a lot of the other services that are out there, because I know you have a lot of choices for trading services, and I get messages every single day about how members have come to us from other services that were bad. Either they didn't get results or they just weren't very forthright with their trading. But we are 100% transparent with our trades. Every single trade that we place, winners and losers, gets uploaded here to the real-time portfolio tracker. This is something that you're going to have access to when you join. It's 100% transparency, winners, losers, everything. You're going to be able to track our trades. It also lists our open positions, so you can track everything on a real-time basis. You're also getting watch lists. We do this via video, so you're going to be prepared ahead of time for the market action. You're also getting exclusive access to our member videos. Every single trade that we take and alert to members comes alongside a member video with detailed explanation of the strategy we used, why the trade is being placed, why the target is where it is, why the stop loss is where it is, and everything in between. So you're not just getting these alerts and that's it. You're able to learn in the process so you can become a better trader in the process. And even if you're not trying to become some better trader and you just want to rely on the expertise of someone like myself to do it for you, then that's okay too. But these member videos will give you confidence in these trades because you're going to see the process behind the trades. All right? So the next thing here is you're getting access to the full education library. It's going to bring you up to speed on how we do things from a strategy standpoint, as well as bring you up to speed on options educations. So if you're new to options, or even if you're not new to options, It's going to bring you up to speed on how we do things, and because we do things the right way in the market. And how do I know that we do things the right way in the market? Well, because we actually get results and we're making money. And we do this in a very simple manner, okay? We cut out all the noise and we boil it down to just the most important things, the most important few things. So it's really easy to follow along. So that's it. This is everything that you're going to get today, guys. Click this button here. It is only $7.87 for the entire year. This is the most discounted offer that we've ever had here for the annual membership. $7.87 for the annual membership. Just click that button right there, and it's going to give you, take you to the 100% secure checkout page. All you have to do is enter in your name, your email, your phone number. Make sure this is a valid phone number that you can receive text messages on, because that's how you receive the buy and sell alerts. All right. And yes, if you are an international person, we do accept international members. We have members in Canada, Philippines, Australia, Italy, all over the world here. Our text alert system does work internationally. All you have to do next is enter in your billing information here. If you want to pay with PayPal, you can do that as well. It's totally up to you. All right. And then you got to click that button, and you're going to get instant access to everything we talked about. Most importantly, you're getting access to our real-time trade alerts, which are going to allow you to finally make consistent returns in the market. So I look forward to seeing you in there. I hope that you make that decision, and I'm really excited to help you make consistent returns in the market. I'll see you in there.